Hey everyone, welcome back to LaptoXAE. Today we have something seriously exciting on the table, the newest Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8. Today we are just unboxing the phone and the newest carbon case comes with a protective film. So let's get straight into it. Right from the box, you can tell this is not your typical smartphone. The design, feel, incredibly premium. So let's get power on the device. So the first impression, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold is seriously satisfying. Whether it is watching videos, multitasking, gaming, editing, or just scrolling through the apps. Here's the front display of our phone. The camera looks clean, the hinges feel solid, and Samsung is really focused on making the whole device feel polished. One moment it's a phone, and the next you have this massive display right in your hand. Let's unbox our screen protector and the carbon case. So here we have our carbon case inside. Let's see what is more inside. Some paperwork. So in the box there are the two screen protective films,